Our service team at Taylor Tire and Automotive is committed to providing a memorable customer experience each and every visit. As a full-service automotive repair shop, we fully understand the importance of a safely operating vehicle for you and your family. And we're doing our part to help keep your vehicle running without hurting your budget. Right now, take advantage of a free brake check, plus an additional $25 discount off any brake service of $150 or more. Ready for an oil change? Enjoy a $10 discount and complimentary multi-point inspection. If it's time for an alignment, we use state-of-the-art Hunter Hawkeye Elite alignment equipment to quickly and precisely align your wheels for only $69.99. Teachers, first responders, and military enjoy an additional 10% discount. We also have a variety of great offers on new tires right now. We carry Goodyear, Firestone, Michelin, and most other major brands with very attractive financing options. We want you to know that we are here and more than ever committed to delivering the same high-quality service that you have come to expect from our team over the years. We have several financing options available, and as you can imagine, there are some very attractive financing offers right now. These financing options can be a big help to those who need to have their vehicles repaired without having to come out of pocket right away. We understand the importance of social distancing right now, so we are more than happy to come get your vehicle and then return it back to you once the needed repairs are complete at no extra cost. Our team is continuing to do what we know best, and that is delivering high-quality automotive repair and customer service to the Kaufman community. Taylor Tire and Automotive is located at 701 South Washington Street in Kaufman, Texas. You can come by or give us a call at 972-932-1447. And one of our service team members will be happy to answer any questions or arrange to come pick up your vehicle for repairs. Thank you for your support and loyalty.